Hey, are you tired of keeping up with the Kardashians?
Mom! What?
Are you ready to not just keep up, but absolutely blast past them in the fast lane?
Yes.
Well, good news, because today I've got some of the fastest family haulers the world has ever seen. The fastest sedans, the fastest wagons, the fastest SUVs that are perfect picks for you and the fam. I'm Brad, this is Idealist, and let's go.
And real quick, there's nothing like a little Huracan Performante V10 in the morning. Okay, if you've ever imagined yourself turning heads in a jaw-dropping supercar, you are in the right place. Sign up. Sign up for the Ideal Collective. Right now, it is completely free, and I've linked to it in the pinned first comment down below. And just by signing up, you'll be the first to know about the Ideal car giveaway. Spots are limited, so sign up today. Again, it's in the pinned first comment, and now, back to the show.
Now, if you're looking for a family hatchback or sedan that'll give you and the kids a giggle every time you hit the go pedal, well, you could always spring for a Golf R or an Integra Type S or even a Civic Type R.
Next time, I think I'll walk to school.
They all go 0 to 60 in about 5 seconds or less. They're all a riot to drive around town, but maybe, just maybe, those hot hatches are a little too compact. What's more family friendly than a station wagon? How about a Dodge wagon with a Hemi V8 under the hood? See, the Dodge Magnum SRT8 is practical, family-friendly, and fast as f***. With a 0 to 60 of 4.7 and a top speed of 174 miles per, drop-offs and pickups on the school run will go like that. And if you want that engine in sedan form, we'll check out the Chrysler SRT8. Basically the same thing, but dressed up as a luxury cruiser. And if you prefer your American cars a little more GM, you got the Cadillac CT5 Blackwing with its supercharged V8, magnetic suspension, and optional manual transmission. It's simply just too bonkers to ignore. It's a roomy sedan that will have the whole fam riding in style. Now, let's dive into some sub 5-second SUVs. If you want to take the family out in style and flaunt a little cash while you're at it, check out the Aston Martin DBX or the Bentley Bentayga V8. Both have a twin turbocharged V8 under the hood, ripping 542 ponies to all 4 wheels, and will propel you to highway speeds in under 4.5 seconds. Not to mention those interiors will make you feel like you and the kids are staying at the Ritz-Carlton every single day. But hey, if you're really in a rush to soccer practice, how about some family sedans with a sub 4-second 0 to 60?
Gotta go faster, 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 faster.
Now, you couldn't go wrong with the 591 horsepower Audi RS Q8 or the Range Rover Sport SV with 635 ponies under the hood. But if I was looking for a wild family ride, why not check out a Jeep Grand Cherokee Trackhawk or the Dodge Durango SRT Hellcat? Under the hoods, you'll find a legendary supercharged 6.2-liter Hemi V8 ripping over 700 ponies to the wheels. They both top out at 180 miles per and both rip to 60 in just 3.5 seconds. It's Hellcat fun for the whole family. Guys, real quick, if you love Dodge craziness as much as what we do, you might want to take a look at this Ideal Viper t-shirt. There's no greater Mopar legend than this. And this t-shirt is a limited run, so get it quick because once they're gone, they are gone. Okay, back to family cars. Now, if your taste is a little bit more European, check out the Audi RS6 Avant or the Benz AMG CLS 63S. Both of these German fast wagons feature a screaming twin-turbo V8 engine, good for nearly 600 horses. And both let the lead out in under 3.2 seconds. That Audi is an absolute ripper, and the Mercedes will wrap you, the kiddos, and even the dog in pure luxury.
Hey boy, what's up?
Are your family's tastes a little bit more Italian exotic? Why not chauffeur everyone around in a Ferrari Purosangue? Pack in an incredible V12 that can zip you to 193 miles per or 0 to 60 in just 3.2. And if that's still too slow, maybe go see the doctor.
Doctor?
Doctor?
Or check out the Lamborghini Urus. This 641 horsepower beast will get you from 0 to 60 in 3 seconds flat. And hey, if your family is a little bit more eco-friendly, check out this trio of full-sized EVs. The Ford Mustang Mach-E GT gets to speed in 3.5 seconds. The Rivian R1S does the same in only 3.1. thanks to its whopping 835 Lightning ponies coursing through its dual motor system. And if you got a big family and want everyone to have plenty of room, well, go check out the GMC Hummer EV. It's the wildest SUV the world has ever seen in stock form. It can hustle its 9,000-pound frame to 60 miles in just 3.3 seconds. You could do all that without a special license. And now it's time for the 5 ideal fastest picks. These next 5 cars all rip 0 to 60 in under 3.
You gotta go faster, you gotta go faster.
The Raptor doesn't go any faster.
Yes, they're in straight up supercar territory, and yet they can still fit all the kiddie car seats and have plenty of room for diapers and dogs and all that stuff. Starting with number 5. The latest and greatest M5 is truly one of the greatest luxury sedans ever made. And with a walloping 600 horses, a manufacturer reported top speed of 190 miles per, and a 0 to 60 of just 2.8, not to mention eye-watering good looks. Are they talking about me again? And even with its full-size platform, the M5 is just as suited to track day duty as it is taking the kids to track practice. And if that's not enough for you, the all-new 2024 M5 is coming, and it's rumored to have 748 freaking horsepower. Let's go! Sadly, Porsche, they just announced that the Panamera Sport Turismo is going to be killed off. Honestly, it's a shame because, in my opinion, it's one of the coolest family cars ever made. You see, the Porsche wagon put several supercars to shame with its 670 horses, 196 mile/hour top speed, and a 0 to 60 of 2.8. If you're into fast wagons, pick up a Sport Turismo before it's too late. This Cayenne is one spicy pepper. 631 combustion ponies work in conjunction with 134 electrified ones, zipping you to 60 in just 2.6. Not to mention the fact that you can fit your kids and all their friends in it. And their friends are going to be begging you to chauffeur them around in a ride like this one. Okay, Porsche must be doing their best Vin Diesel impression because they have really taken the fast family thing seriously.
Vin Diesel! For family!
And you better believe their Taycan EV Sport Turismo is ready to deliver. 0 to 60 in 2.6, 750 electric ponies split across dual motors. I mean, guys, I love my 911s, but the Taycan line is proving to be a force to be reckoned with in the Porsche lineup. And now for the number 1 fastest family car that you can get your hands on. Tesla's Plaid line has set the bar for absolutely bonker EV performance, and the Model X Plaid does not disappoint. Over 1,000 electrified horses rip you from 0 to 60 in just 2.5 seconds, thanks to the triple motor all-wheel drive system. Hell, that's faster acceleration than an F1 car, with enough passenger space to take half the F1 grid along for the ride. I mean, these family cars are seriously getting out of hand. So, which one would you take the kids out in, or your nieces or nephews? Let us know in the comments below. Otherwise, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on that notification bell, and check out this vid up here, or whatever YouTube recommends you watch next down here. Also, we got shirts, brand new swag. Sweet. And I'm Brad, this is Ideal, and promise me one thing, keep living the ideal lifestyle.